Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix unstable internet connection on TikTok. So guys, when you log in your TikTok account or sign up for TikTok account and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, go back and open your TikTok app. Click on profile, click on add another account, and I am clicking on continue with Apple ID because I have Apple ID in this iPhone. Click here. So here you can see when I am clicking on it, so at the upper side you can see unstable internet connection. When I am click again and again this, then I am facing this type of issue again and again, unstable internet connection. So guys, how can you fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, go back, open your settings, and make sure that your airplane mode is off. So if it is on, then you need to off it, and after doing this, open your Wi-Fi and connect Wi-Fi with your device. So if not connected, then you need to connect it, and if already connected, then click on forget this password, this network, and connect it again. And if you do not have Wi-Fi, then open your mobile data, and after doing this, go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So still having this problem, then open your app store and search here TikTok. Click on TikTok app and make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it, and after doing update, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. And still having this problem, then open your settings again, click on general, click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. And after doing this, click on iPhone storage, click on TikTok and click on offload app and click on offload. So after doing offload, go and reinstall again from App Store, and after doing this, go back, click on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is set automatically. And after doing this, click on VPN and device management, and check that any kind of VPN is not connected with your device. And after doing this, go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network setting. And after doing reset network setting, your problem will be fixed. So go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So I am opening my TikTok app, clicking on profile, click on add another account, continue with Apple ID. So here you can see now I am see the next step, continue with passcode. So wait for seconds to opening this tab. So wait. So now you can see my TikTok app is open successfully. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to open your TikTok app smoothly. So and fix the issue of unstable internet connection. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.